Here are 5 marketing video mistakes that you should avoid like the plague, which was probably funnier before COVID, but whatever. Listen, there's tons of great video marketing things to do. So here are 5 things to don't. Number 1, don't turn off viewers with overly long introductions, right? People care what you can do for them. They care that you can solve their problem. They care that you can answer their question. So get to it. Don't run them off with a long blabber about yourself in the beginning, because they won't care about you until they get that you care enough about them to help them, right? I recently did a whole video on this topic, probably worth a listen to. So, number 2, making videos that ignore customer searches. You know what you know, and you know what you want to talk about. But here's the thing. Do you know what they want to hear? Customer searches should inform the specifics of your video, right? And by searches, I mean the specific words that they're typing into the Google or typing into the YouTube to look for what they're looking for. The more closely your headline and your content relates to their search, the more useful you are to the searcher. And then the better you're going to appear in the results, since that's the goal of the search engine, YouTube or Google, right? To produce the best results for their customer, the searcher. Sadly, Google's goal is not to get us the most views possible. So that is what it is. Now, this isn't revolutionary. It's not a huge change. It's a more nuanced massage of the copy and the content of your video to match what they are searching for, using the words that they are using to search. And the best way to figure this out is to type it into Google and see what the auto suggestions are. That's what the searchers are looking for. Number 3, don't expect one video to serve all your purposes, right? I mean, some videos introduce, some explain, some videos answer questions, some videos entertain or illuminate, and some videos sell. You want to keep your videos concise, as short as possible and as long as necessary, right? Get to the point, make the point, and be done. Because people are watching for a specific reason, right? Give them that, and then fight the urge to wander around trying to cover everything else. Right? You want to say hello on social media with a simple selling message? Great! You want to answer frequently asked questions to prove and provide expertise? Great! Do that. And then send them to your website for more information if they want it. Right? If you're ready to offer a sales presentation or a product demo on your website, be focused on that, exactly that. Because you want to make it easy and efficient for the viewer. Number 4, serving long-form video to people who want a snack isn't a good idea. The expression that I've heard often is, when somebody asks you what time it is, don't tell them how to build a watch. I know, I'm guilty of this for sure. Right? In the early days, the first marketing course I offered years ago was, as a dear friend and good personal business mentor pointed out, it was a PhD in digital marketing, and the business people I was talking to were looking for a kindergarten education or a basic training. So keep your videos short, give the basics, give them what they want, give them what they ask for. And if there's more, send them to another video, to your website, to a blog post, to an article. Go ahead and talk for 2 or 3 minutes when that will do. And then you're going to get more viewers who watch more of your videos, and they know where they can get more, right? It's a tricky balance, but I know that when I'm making a video, I want it to be a little longer. And when I'm watching a video, I want it to be a little shorter. So keep that in mind. And number 5, don't downplay the emotional investment that your viewers make over time with you, right? A lot of the work that we put into making marketing videos is built around providing solutions, showing and sharing expertise, and building relationships. So your viewers are investing in you, right? They're spending some time watching what you say, watching what you do. They're coming to know you a little bit in that way, and they're coming to appreciate you. So they have a little emotional investment in you that you don't yet have in them. So keep that in mind and do everything in your power to respect and acknowledge that. And you can do that by being part of the conversation, answer the comments, right? Do whatever it takes to respond. I'm always happy when a new client calls and mentions the videos of mine that they've seen. It proves the power of video, which is super useful if, like me, you run a video marketing agency. And it also indicates that they know what they want and they're pretty sure that you've got what it takes, right? That's the key. When someone has watched your marketing videos of all kinds and perhaps commented on some of your social media postings, they're looking to buy when they call. Now, each tip on avoiding something leads to the idea of something to do instead, right? So do that instead. This is the year. Listen, this is the year for video. This is the year that video marketing can take you and your business to the next level. And if you'd like a little help, a little support in learning the ropes and getting better and getting better and getting better, maybe you want to check out our 21-day video marketing jumpstart. Go to socialjumpstart.com/join, and I'll see you in the next video.